Assalamualaikum dear students, this is Naeem Safdar from Orchard Grammar School. In this video you will learn algebra of two matrices. Algebra of two matrices means addition, subtraction and multiplication of two matrices. First, we have addition of two matrices. Can we add every two matrices? No. We can add only those two matrices whose order is same. If order is different, we cannot add. As you know, what is order? Order means number of rows by number of columns. First you have to write number of rows, then you have to write number of columns. This is known as order of matrices, rows by column. For example, we have two matrices. Can we add or not? First we will check. For this we have to write their orders. Order means number of rows, there are two rows, and number of columns, there are also two columns. We show by, this is sign of multiplication, but in case of order we read 2 by 2. Order of second matrix is there are two rows and only one column. As their order is different, so we cannot add, we just write addition is not possible. Next example, we have two matrices. First, for addition, first we have to check either addition is possible or not. For this, first observe their order. There are two rows and two columns, so its order is 2 by 2. There are two rows in second matrix and two columns, so they have same order, so addition is possible. In next matrix, there are two rows and one column. It has also order 2 by 1. In this matrix, we have three rows and two columns. In this matrix, we also have three rows and two columns. So, in these three examples, addition is possible. Two matrices are confirmable for addition if they have same order. In case of different order, we will just write not possible, addition is not possible. Now question is that how can we add two matrices? To add two matrices, we add their corresponding elements, matching elements. For example, in this matrix we have four members, four elements. This matrix also contains four members. So the matching element of 5 will be 4. 2. Matching element of 2 is 3, and the corresponding element of -3 will be 3, and corresponding element of 1 is 0. So we will just add corresponding elements. 5 plus 4, 9, 2 plus 3, 5, -3 plus 3, 0, 1 plus 0, 1. 7 plus 2, 9, 4 plus 3, 7. In this example, we have to add these two matrices. We add A plus X, B plus Y, C plus Z, D plus T, E plus P, F plus Q. Students, have you noticed that the order of result matrix will be the same? For example, order of these two matrices is 2 by 2 and the order of result matrix is also 2 by 2. It contains two rows and two columns. The order of these two matrices is 2 by 1 and the order of result matrix is also 2 by 1 because it contains two rows and one column. As the order of these two matrices is 3 by 2 and the order of result matrix is also 3 by 2 because it contains 3 rows and 2 columns. I hope students you understood the concept of addition of two matrices. In case of any query, you may comment. Inshallah we will reply you soon. Thank you.